the most wonderful time of the year, guys. It's Christmas time, which means capitalism and giving and joy and loving one another, but mostly capitalism. It is the season to buy things, and I thought I'd give you a rundown of kind of my updated list of products that I'm using, products that I really think that are very, very valuable for those that are using a hair system to get more longevity out of it and to make it feel better, make it last longer, all that fun stuff. So I'm going to be eliminating a lot of the products, or some of the products, out of my description and changing them up, because as the times change, so do the products I use and things that I feel like are absolute must-haves for you. So we're going to be going through them today and kind of talking about some of the products that I really think that these are very valuable for you to have, and I'm going to be trying to do it as organized as possible, so that way you guys can just clearly make your choice on what's right for you. Okay guys, so the first category that we're gonna go over is actually just kind of like miscellaneous items, things that I think that you should be looking into. Now, the first thing that I really believe that you gotta have is great brushes for your hair system and for your hair care. Now, one of the things that I mentioned early on by recommendation of a viewer is a Tangled teaser style brush like this right here. Very soft bristles that can bend and move. This is great for getting tangles out of your hair. Now, this is great, and it is a good product. If you want to buy this, that's fine. I actually really like Hair Club's Floppy brush product. Now, the reason that is because these are a little, just ever so slightly more rigid. The hair spine, spindles, things, I don't know, but these are actually a little bit more rigid, but the brush itself just feels like it's constructed better. It is a little bit more expensive, I think by like 10 or 15 bucks, but it's got a little bit more weight to it and feels better in your hand. But if you do need to save money, just go with a Tangled teaser. These things are dirt cheap and it's super valuable. Highly recommend it. Now, I will say, make sure you get yourself a bamboo brush. That is something that I use on the regular. When it comes to other types of brushes, I really recommend you get some rat tail combs, which I have a link down the description. Most of the stuff that I have inside of this, I have links to in the description if you do want it. But buy cheap rat tail combs. The reason is because I use these a lot to clean my hair system and also help with getting adhesive out of my hair, stuff like that, when I'm basically doing a reapplication of my hair system. So the reason I like them cheap is that way, if they get filled with adhesive and gunk and stuff, you don't have to worry about ruining them. And you know, you can try to get the adhesive off by putting it in solvent, or you can just get rid of them and they cost like 50 cents. Now, in the same category, silk pillowcase, must have. This is something you want to sleep on all the time. It'll help reduce friction while you sleep, will help reduce losing hair out of your hair system, which a lot of hair can come out of the back of your hair system. It's not something we see all the time, but that can definitely be an issue. So making sure you get yourself a silk pillowcase, that'll do you a world of good. Now, I really recommend that you get a mannequin head. I have one linked in the description. Get something that you can work on your hair system with. Like when you take it off and you're reapplying adhesive, when you are cleaning it, it's so much easier on a rounded mannequin head style surface. That was something that was very valuable to me early on, and I literally use it every single week. Every single week, I just put it in the closet. When it's time, I bring it out and it's good to go. I really, really recommend this next thing, guys. Like this, if you get one thing off of the list, this might be one of the things, and that is a Captain Eco hard water softener. You don't have to get that one, just get a hard water softener on your shower, because this will increase the longevity of your hair systems and make them feel good, make them feel soft, help retain like a lot of the original flair when you first get your system months in. This is the first couple systems that I've had that 2 months in, I still have a curl. As you can see, there's still that wave pattern that is retained. Before, when I would use regular water, as well as some of the products I'm going to talk about in a second, these hair systems would lose all of their life. They would just kind of go like brittle and straight, and just like they would just lose all of the realism. So that is something I really, really recommend, is you get a hard water softener. I wish I knew about that earlier. and I only discovered it later out of the recommendation of a couple people. So that kind of squares up the miscellaneous factor of like products that you need. I want to move into basically the hair shampoo, conditioning, and Reconstructor type aspect here. So there's a couple products that you could buy. You don't need all of these that I'm mentioning, but they're just good for different things, and I'll explain like why I have them in here. So the first one is the Efogee shampoo for damaged hair, Pro Vitamin Leave-In Conditioner, and Keratin 2-minute Reconstructor. It's basically like a pack of 3 things that you can get. This right here is the leave-in conditioner, as you guys can see. So this package right here, I have a link in my description. That's great because this is just it's a great treatment protocol for your hair system. They have a really good product and it's not super expensive. The Reconstructor is really important because that actually deposits proteins onto the hair strand and it can help fix it. That can do a miracle for your hair. And this is something you should be doing, I think, like once every kind of 3 to 4 weeks, and it'll definitely increase the longevity of your hair system. I would say, I haven't tried this yet, but if you want to increase the longevity, maybe you can experiment with every 2 weeks just to deposit more protein into it and make it feel a little bit better. This protocol does take time though. It's not something that you just jump in the shower, do for 2 minutes, you're out. It takes time. It takes probably like 15 to 20 minutes altogether. If you don't want to get that, what I recommend, and this is actually the thing I use most often, is the Hard Water Wellness Shampoo and Conditioner set that I've got a link to down below. That's something that I feel is like, that's my pretty much every 3rd day washing routine is using that. Sometimes I use it more often, but that is absolutely a must in my opinion to get that set. Not expensive either. I've also included in this down below that a blue shampoo and conditioner set. It's from Blue Light. This is the black light product right here that you see. This stuff is great if you do want to use some blue shampoo. Some people say though that blue shampoo can actually stain your poly or stain your lace. So it's a controversial topic, but I do keep them around and I do use them maybe once or twice a month. So guys, keep in mind, like these products right here, most of them are going to last you a very long time because it's not something that we use consistently. So if you do buy this stuff, keep that in mind. You're gonna be like, oh my God, this stuff adds up. Yes, but it will last you a super long time. Now, the last product, if you don't go for the Efogee shampoo, conditioner, and hair reconstructor with the keratin, I actually have been using this Maxim hair reconstructor. So this is a product by Hair Club. But I actually really like this and I use it a fair amount. So that is another choice that you do have. As far as the Hair Club products that I'll mention, I just have one link to their referral thing. I think I get like literally like 1% or 5%. I don't even know, but it's minuscule. Like just go to Hair Club and look at Maxim products if you do want that. Now let's move into the next part of the video, which is talking about adhesives. It's gonna be really simple. So I really used 3 things, okay? That was very like German type of 3, but I used 3 things, right? So the first is the Ultra Hold tapes, and you can either get this in just a roll of tape. It doesn't actually come in this type of thing, but it's actually just like a roll of tape around like that, or you can get the tabs, which some of them have curvature, which can make it easier to go around the hairline. So I do have a link to some of the tabs in my description, but you can just get the tape if you want. I use that as well. Next thing I have listed is Ghost Bond XL. Ghost Bond is great and I don't use it very much, but I do use it if I want like the immaculate hairline for an event or something like that. I'll actually do the last 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch of my hairline with Ghost Bond instead of tape. And that's just so that it's a closer bond to my scalp and it has less tape in between me and the system. And I do notice that it doesn't last as long as tape, especially me being a very active person, but that's not what I use it for, so keep that in mind. Now the last thing is when it comes to adhesives that I use a lot is the Walker Max Hold Sport. This is a must-have. Like I use it and I don't ever run out of this stuff because it increases my bond duration by like 30 to 40%, I would say. I go about like 7 days if I don't have the Max Hold Sport. I'll go about 10 to 14 with the Max Hold Sport. So it can almost actually like double the whole time if I let it. But anyways, those 3 products I consider are like a must-have. Definitely should buy all of those unless for some reason you have another tape or adhesive that works for you. Now moving into products, I've kind of eliminated a lot of the products inside of this and moved them, consolidated them down to what I actually have been using like nonstop. And that's first, Argan Oil. So you have two choices. One, I have an Argan Oil Spray down below that's super cheap, very affordable, and this is a mist. So it's great to use when you jump out of the shower. Just mist your hair, comb through it, and you get an application very cleanly. The other one that I have listed is Maxim Argan Oil. I use this, I would say, more often, but that's just a personal preference, and it's literally like a spray bottle, or excuse me, it's not a spray bottle, but it is a applicator like this right here. Comes out as like a oil, right? So it's a little bit thicker, but I rub it on my hands, run my hands through my hair. So either of those are good. I think the Argan Oil OGX spray that I have from Amazon is a little bit cheaper if you are looking to save some money. Now moving into, I'm going to cover the two hair club products that I also have in this category because I do use them. I use these and these are my go-to. So their Maxim medium hold spray is something that I use a fair amount. Now I used to think like hairspray, leave your hair crunchy, don't use hairspray. This right here is a very tolerable hairspray for hair systems. Not, I wouldn't even call it medium hold. This is like a very, very light hold. So if I'm going out and I really dig the style that I was able to get with my hair, I'll just spray that through my hair and it provides just a little bit of stability to it. I really like that hairspray, so it's something worth checking out. And then the other product from them, the Maxim Groom Pomade, I like this stuff a lot. I use this to style my hair a fair amount, and you don't need an excessive amount. It just helps style and give a slight amount of hold to your hair. Now inside of the products for your hair, I'm gonna also leave one of the oldest products that I've recommended, which is the Davin's All-in-One Milk Leave-In Conditioner. I love this stuff. So if you can get it, this is definitely a more pricey product. You don't need it, but it's amazing. I really, really love that stuff. The last thing I really recommend, and this right here is, I'm not gonna put a link to, you can just get it in a grocery store or supermarket or whatever. There's actually dish detergent, like Dawn dish detergent, like grease eating stuff. And the reason for that is because if you let your bond go too long, things can get really sticky and messy on your scalp, in your hair, and in your hair system. And using a dish detergent that's designed to like cut away grease and fat and stuff, I've noticed is really helpful in getting those like hard to clean up adhesive gunk. And you know, dish detergent I don't think it's necessarily the greatest thing for your scalp. Like, it's just gonna dry out your scalp. It can dry out the hair if you get it in it, but it has saved me a bunch of times. It's something that I keep in the shower. I don't use all the time, and I've started actually applying my system more often to avoid using dish detergent, like down to 7 to 10 instead of 10 to 14 days. Because of that reason, I find it is a godsend. Sometimes you just need it, and when you need it, you want to have it. So I really recommend you just get some dish detergent, just put it in your shower. It's like $2 or $3. It will save you a world of heartache at least once. Trust me on that. So guys, this is my consolidated list and what I'm using. I use every single one of these products. Now you don't have to get all of them. The things, if I was to say like that you really, really should get, is the hard water wellness shampoo and conditioner. I would say get your adhesives, but of course get Max Hold Sport. Get the brushes, Tangled teaser if you don't have a little extra money, silk pillowcase, the hard water softener, the mannequin head, get some argan oil, get the dish detergent. Those are the things that I really recommend that you get. And I don't know, you could probably get all that stuff for like 100, maybe 120 bucks, and it'll last you pretty much the rest of the year. This is just a way for us to extend the lifespan of our hair systems, make them last longer, get more value out of them. So think about it like that. If you can reduce the number of hair system you use by one every single year, all of these products pay for themselves, and then after that it's just free money. So that's a way to think about it. Anyways guys, appreciate you dropping in for this, and we'll catch you soon. Happy holidays.